Hi everyone, I am Shimi. I am here to introduce the English grammar. First of all, I would like to ask you some questions. What is grammar? Why we should learn grammar? What is the importance of English grammar in the present situation? Yes, grammar is a set of conventions and rules that govern a language. To introduce a car, we should follow certain rules. In the same way, to make a sentence, we should follow some rules. That is grammar. In this class, I would like to teach you the tenses. It is the basic rule of English language. Here, I would like to teach you the forms, uses, and rules of each tenses. And I have some examples which may enable you to understand well. If you are ready, let us start. Today we will deal with the topic tenses. Mainly we have three tenses: present, past, and future tenses. Before we enter into the topic, let us see a chart. We have present, past, and future tenses. It has subdivisions also: simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous tense. So, in present tense, we have simple present, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous tense. In past, simple past, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous tense. In future, we have simple future, future continuous, future perfect continuous tense. Let us start with the first tense. It is simple present. The form of simple present is subject plus s or es or base form of the verb. Here we have some examples. Simple present, the form is subject plus s or es or base form of the verb. Examples: the painter paints the wall. The teacher teaches English. The farmers work in the field. The boys play cricket. The postman delivers letters. Dear children, let me ask you one question. What do you mean by the subject in a sentence? The subject of a sentence is the person who does the action in a sentence. According to the subject, the verb will be changing. When the subject is plural, we use the base form. And when the subject is singular, we use the single S form of the verb. Here, I, you, we, they, he, she, it. When we use the plural forms I, you, we, they, we use the base form: work, play, drink, go, eat, leave. When we use the singular subjects he, she, or it, we use works, plays, brings, goes, eats, lives. That is the S form of the verb. Now, my dear children, I think you understood that when the subject is singular, we use S or ES form of the verb. When the subject is plural, we use base form of the verb. Now let us see the use of simple present tense. We use simple present tense to indicate a habitual action, routine, and a fact. Here we have some examples for that. Habits and routines. We drink tea every morning. Raj goes to the park on Sunday. They often play video games on holidays. Facts: she works as a teacher. She sings very well. Here you say some words I underlined. Why should I underline or circle these verbs? Here you see, in the first sentence, we drink. We is a subject and we use drink, the base form of the verb. Raj is the subject in the second sentence. It is singular, so we use S form of the verb go, goes. In third sentence, they is a subject, they is plural, so we use the verb play, base form of the verb. Dear children, let us do one activity. Once again, before the activity, we will revise the forms again. What is the form of simple present tense? I know you are very clear about that. Subject plus S or ES are base form of the verb. Here we have some activities. First one, it is drag and drop activity. First one, the baby dash, cry or cries. The children dash football, play or plays. She dash a tree, plants or plant. Fourth one, they dash songs, sings or sing. We dash makes, study or studies. Dear children, now we know that when the subject is singular, the S or ES form of the verb is followed. Here, the first sentence, the baby is a singular subject, so we should add cries. The children, it is plural, so we use the base form of the verb play. She is a singular subject, we use the S form of the verb plans. They is the plural subject, so we use the base form of the verb sing. We is the plural subject, so we should use study, the base form of the verb. Now let us do some group activity. So dear children, prepare a short note about simple present tense. Write its forms, rules and examples. After that, find at least 10 sentences which are in simple present. With this group activity, we will conclude our first session of the class. Thank you.